And the bright star that we can see here is Capella in the constellation of Auriga, the Charioteer. Extremely bright yellow star. You might perhaps see some of the other stars. And going to move over to Gemini, the twins. Can I get them? And yep, we can see Castor and Pollux quite clearly there. And I'm just going to go back. Unfortunately, Orion, looking at Orion, bright star Sirius, it's moving in on Sirius. You can just see it there above the houses, and up there we've got Orion. Handing over to Orion, it's in the trees there. You can see Betelgeuse, which is over from to the left of the moon. Sirius is at the bottom of the frame, and the moon, it looks like it's in Taurus, and I think that's Aldebaran that is just next to the moon. Back onto the moon again. We'll just pick that. Just coming in on the moon.